everyone, my name is Chanchal Agrawal and today's topic is minimization of DFA. So this is a given DFA and we have to minimize this DFA. First of all, we all have to know that what is minimization. Minimization means combining two or more state into one state so that we can reduce the number of states. Okay, so here are the basic two steps for the minimization of DFA. Step 1 is check whether, firstly we have to know that it is a DFA or not, means we are performing the minimization of DFA. So first of all we have to make sure that it is a DFA or not. What is DFA? What is DFA? I have already covered in the previous videos, so you can check from there that what is DFA. Now at the second part, we have to remove inaccessible state. At the step second, we have to remove inaccessible states. Up now, what do you mean by inaccessible states? Inaccessible states are those states which are not reachable by initial state. Okay, means initial state is what? Initial state is A. Now we see that is B is reachable from A. Yup, we can go from A to B via this transaction. Now is C is reachable from A? Yes, we can surely go from A to C via this transaction. Now similarly we check for A to D. Yes, we can go. We have A from E. Yes, we can go. A to F. Yes, we can go. But if we talk about G, so can we reach from initial state to this state? Firstly we come from A to B, then B to D, but arrow it is the arrow towards D, not towards G, so we cannot go from B to G. So means we cannot reach from A to G via any transition. So means G is inaccessible state. So for minimization of DFA, we remove inaccessible state from this DFA. So we will perform the minimization on this DFA only. This DFA we have removed the state G and we will perform the minimization on this DFA only. Okay, now the time to construct the table from this DFA. How to construct this table? The table can be constructed by writing all the states. What are the states? A, B, C, D, E and F. So writing all the states towards the left side of the table, and we have to write all the transition, means input symbols. What are the two input symbols given in this? And two input symbols are 0 and 1. Okay, so we will write all the input symbols here, 0 and 1. Now how we will construct this table? That we will check now on the input 0 where A is reaching. If we apply the input 0 to A, then it is reaching to B. Then on the input 0, A is reaching to B. Then now on, while we are giving input 1 to the state A, where it is going? To the state C. Okay, so while we are giving input 1 to state A, then it will goes to state C. Now similarly for B on 0 it is going to A. On B, if we are providing input 0, then it will goes to state A, and on B if we apply the input A, then it will reach to state D. Similarly we fill up all the entries by seeing the transitions. Okay, now for minimization of DFA, what is the main thing? What is required? For minimization of DFA, we have to find the equivalence state. Equivalent state are what? Equivalent state means that state means if we have two states, if we have Q1 and Q2. So if we have Q1 and Q2, then these two states are said to be equivalent state only if for a given input it should go to either final state or non-final state. Otherwise not equivalent. Getting or not? Means let's see an example. Now you will understand by this example for sure. let's see, we are making now. What is the next procedure? In the next procedure we have to make two sets, one set for non-final states and second set for final state. So we represent it by pi 0 and what are the final non-final states? A, B and F. And set of final states are C, D and E. Okay. Now we have to find equivalent state from these two sets. Now if we take the example that A or B are equivalent or not, A or B are equivalent or not. So now we check for 0. First of all we will check for 0. Then if we are providing 0 to A, then how where it is going? It is going to B. B is non final state. Okay. Same in the same behavior, if we check B for input 0, then where it is going? It is also going to the non final state. Means A or B. If we provide 0 to A or B, it is going to non-final state. Now if we check, if we provide 1 to A, then where it is going? It is going to final state. Okay, C is a final state. And if we provide 1 to B, where it is going? One of the final state. Okay, so it is showing same behavior, that on 0 both are going to non-final state, and we are giving, if we are giving 1, then it is going to one of the final state. In simple words we can understand it by that on giving 0 it is belonging to this set only. Okay, on giving 0 it is belonging to this set only, and when we are giving 1, then it is belonging to this set. Okay. Now if we check, now we can merge A or B because A or B are equivalent. Now if we check for if we check for F on 0, it goes to F, means it is going to F, means non-final state. And it, if we provide 1, so it will also goes to non-final state. Means F behavior is different from the behavior A or B. Means A or B were belonging on the 0, A or B belonging to non-final, and on 1 it is belonging to this set. But if we talk about F, then on 1 or 0 it is going to itself only, means in this set only. So F behavior is different from the behavior of A and B. So we split the F, or we make another set for F. So A or B behavior is same, so we keep these two into the one set. F behavior is different, so we keep this into the another set, and C, D, E is another set. Now we check the behavior of C, D or E. Now on C, when we are giving input 0, then it is going to E, means in the set of final state. Okay. Now if we check D behavior, on giving 0 it is belonging to this set only. And if we talk about E, then on giving 0 it belongs to this set only. Means C, D, E on 0 going to final state. Okay. Now if we check for 1, on giving 1 C is going to F, means in this set. On giving 1 D is going to this set only, and for E when we are giving 1 it goes to this set only. Means C, D, E is showing same behavior, C, D and E. On giving 1 it goes to F only. Okay, it goes to F only. So we can combine AB, F, AB in one set, F is another set, and CDE is in another set. Okay. Now our final DFA is, we are combining A and B because it shows the same behavior, and we make CDE. as final state, because these three are final states, and because f is showing another behavior, so we split the f into the another set. Now if we see the transitions, if we see the transitions, a and b are on 0, a and b is on, if we provide a and b, 0 to a and b, then it is going to this set only, 0. And if we provide 1 to a and b, that is, it is going to this set, c, d or e. Okay. Now if we provide 0 to f, it is going to itself only, and if we provide 1 to f, it is going to itself only. Now for c, d and e, c, d and e on 0, it is going to final, this is the final state, and CDE on 1 is going to F. CDE on is going to F. So this is the final DFA, minimized DFA, which we are getting. I hope you are liking the video. Thank you, friends.